Hello everyone, my name is Sachin Mandal from iSureMedia and welcome to how to white label your GHL account. In this video, I will explain how you can add API domain for your GHL agency or for your sub accounts. So first, you have to log in into your GHL account. If you are adding this for agency, then you have to log in into your agency. Go to settings, company, and there you will have the option to add the API domain. And what is the purpose of this API domain? This enable you to add another level of branding for your form link, survey link, calendar link, etc. If you want to add a branded domain or API domain for your sub account, you just have to simply log in into your sub account. Go to the settings of that sub account. In the business profile, you will find the option named branded domain. Now, in order to add a branded domain, you have to just simply type it in and just click on add domain and then it's update information. Here is the API domain DNS records that you need to add in your DNS record of domain. Let me show you how this affect your branding. So for example, if I show you a form from this sub account, I go to form builder and if I show you this form link, you can see at the moment it is showing link.api system.tech, which is not our branding name. So this is what API domain is. Once you have add your API domain, it will update in this section and it will add another layer of branding for your form link, survey link, and calendar link, etc. So to add it, I will just add it for agency. So I will just switch back to agency view and again we'll go to settings, company, and we'll click on API domain and just type link dot your domain name. In my case it is GoHighLevelExpertService.com, and then just click on add domain. It will show you this pop-up. If you want to add the record manually, just click on add record. It will show you the records. If you are confused about it, I will add the record in the description of this video. Here are the record that you need to add in. So and I will just continue with it and it will check for your domain registrar. So it is showing that my domain provider is Cloudflare, so I just need to authorize it and it will automatically add the record for me. I will just click on authorize domain, click on authorize. It will take few seconds or it may take hours depending on your domain provider and how fast they populate the DNS record. With Cloudflare, it usually takes few seconds. So now my API domain for this GHL account or is for this GHL agency is done. I just have to click on update company. Once I have added that, I can just go back to that same sub account. Let me just quickly refresh it so that it effectively reflect the changes. So now I will just quickly switch to that sub account, go to sites, form builder, and here's the form. And now if I preview the link, it should be link.gohighlevelexpert.service.com, and as you can see it has been updated to this, the one that I have just added inside the company setting. So if you add it in the agency section, it will apply for all the sub accounts. If you want for sub account, then you can just do it from the business profile of a sub account, and it will only reflect for that particular sub account. I hope this video helps. Thank you.